Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Score Planner app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here, and you just click on settings. It's going to show for you list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. You come to apps list here, and then you're looking for Score Planner app, or just click on search. Then here at Score Planner app, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click on first stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do now, you just go to your Play Store, click on it here, and here you search for Score Planner. It's going to show for you like this. We'll find here if this click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.